Hey everybody, are you in a business and you're having trouble getting repeat customers? You're getting that one guy is a one-time deal and they never come back? Do you want to know why? Well, we'll find out. Let's talk about that in this very video. Hi, my name is Brad. I'm doing drone videos to help you improve your drones and helping you improve your business. If that sounds like something good to you, then go ahead and click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification button so that you can get notified about my videos. Let's get to this.
Let's light this candle.
So you follow my advice on how to talk to customers, but you're not getting repeat customers. So why do you think that is? Is it because they don't like you? Maybe. Is it because they got a cheaper price? Maybe. Is it because you never called them and asked them for more business? Maybe. What you want to do is you want to make sure you tell people all of your services, not all at once. You just want to let them know, oh yeah, I can do that, or I can help you with that. One of the things I did is while I was editing a video with a client while they were here, so I was saying, wow, you should have a YouTube channel, you should have an Instagram account, you should have this, that. And she says, well, I have Instagram, but I don't use it. I have Facebook, but I use it a little bit, and and I never did a YouTube before. So I just sold them on my services on helping them build a YouTube channel and all these other things. They're out taking pictures and they're like, wow, a video would be really cool. Well, we can just shoot some video and I can throw a quick edit for you together. Let's say that doesn't happen that way. Okay, fine. Then you can actually call your customer and say, hey, is there anything else I can do for you? And if they say, well, no, we've picked another person, and you say, for market research reasons, can I ask you why you picked this other person? They may say, well, because you're a jerk. Hopefully they don't. If they say that, you were pretty bad and you need to fix that. You need to definitely fix that. If they say, well, it was because they were a lower price. Okay, well, I understand. Did you get the quality that you wanted? I mean, is the quality on par with what I give you? And then they will say, well, their quality was much better than you. Well, then you need to work on your quality. If they say, no, it wasn't that good, you say, okay, well, when you're ready to come back, and then you can say something to the effect, this is something you got to be very careful about. You can say, okay, well, let me know when you want to use me again, and you will get that better quality or something like that. If you can think of something better, leave a comment below, because suddenly my brain has fried. Some of the things you can do is you can just call them back even after that first call, and they say, well, no, blah blah blah, but they didn't seem like you were a jerk or anything else. They just haven't had any use for it. Make sure you contact them again in another month, another week. Oh, hey, how'd you like that video? Did that video work out for you? Did those pictures go really well? How'd you like my edit? Was there something I could have done better? You're basically telling them that you want to keep their business and you want to keep the repeat customers, because repeat customers is a good thing, because you've already sold them on your service. Hopefully they liked you and they will keep using you again and again, as long as you keep that contact. Now, one of the things you can do is you can download a software, and no, they are not sponsoring this. You can download or install or whatever, use Constant Contact. And that is a good app. You can use it free for a certain point, and then once you hit a certain level, you have to start paying for it. But when you're at that level, paying for it's not such a bad thing. Whenever you send an invoice, make sure on that invoice, somewhere on there says, hey, it was great working with you. We look forward to working with you again. These things happen. I mean, it can happen in a natural fashion. It can happen and say, oh, hey, yeah, here's that invoice. Believe it or not, an invoice can sometimes remind people, oh, yeah, we liked working with them. That's what you want. Even sending an invoice, don't be afraid to send an invoice. And invoicing is something else we'll talk about in another video, because there's so many things about businesses that some people need to know. Of course, I'm not perfect, and there's so many more things that about this to keep the repeat customers coming and coming and coming. If you know some of those great ideas and great tricks, go ahead and leave a comment below, and if there's enough really good ones, I'll make another video. I don't care. I want to help you grow your business. So leave a comment below. And of course, if you like this video and you want to see more like this, go ahead and click that subscribe button and click the like button and share this with someone you think might benefit from this video. Until next time, for those drone pilots out there, fly safe and bye!